Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.04 Button Cluster Administrative Type 1. Column B on the sheets is dedicated to macro buttons. The first button on all sheets is the option to turn on sheet protection. Sheet protection is off in the initial configuration. Next are 2 buttons that will highlight the cells that will be protected if sheet protection is turned on. Some sheets have hide/unhide buttons after the protection button. On administrative and elevation sheets. Administrative sheets buttons clusters start at approximately row 10 below the protection and hide/unhide macro buttons. On cost workup sheets, administrative sheets button clusters start near row 27. The administrative sheets are Preview if it is not hidden, Table of Contents, Project Cost Summary. Tab name is PRJT COST SMRY. Instructions. Notes. Directory of range names. Tab name is DIRRANGENAMES. Directory of macros. Tab name is DIRMACROS. Range name macro cross-reference. Tab name is RANGENAMEMACROXREF. Tables, definitions, abbreviations. Tab name is TBLSDEFSABRB. Project dimensions. Tab name is PRJTDMNS. The project dimensions sheet is located after the elevation sheets. All 10 administrative sheets are not in every cluster. The active sheet is not included in the cluster. Or switch sheets by using the worksheet tabs along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.04 is completed. Continue the example by clicking item 2.2.05.